Still I venture someplace scary. Ghostly haunting, I turn loose. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice!
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Tash, and I do a lot of beauty related videos. At the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween, which is my favourite time of year, and I'm really excited for this. Today I've done my own version of a female inspired Beetlejuice. If you're eyeing these in the background, got this guy here and the bed. They're made by So, and you can find her on Instagram. She's relatively new to Instagram, so yeah. You can check out her work. Her link to her profile will be down in the description box. You'll be seeing a few more of these types of things in some of my videos, so yeah. Anyway, let's get on with today's look. Okay, so to start off this look, I've just done a very light coverage of foundation on my face. Now I'm going to take some white and black face paints and just do some lines around my neck. I've started with the white so then I can wipe off my brush and use the black. And if you want this to be more of a vivid white, then you can always go over it until you get the colour you desire. Or you can put them in before you start painting the black areas. Now I'm just going to wait for that to dry so I can step over it and also add a little bit of shadowing and definition to it. In the meantime, I'm going to start on my face. So I'm going to start off by taking the Starry Eyed palette from Evil Eye Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this matte black here. I'm going to give myself more of a deeper, darker eyebrow. And I'm just defining my natural eyebrow, but giving it more of a pointed arch. So those eyebrows look a little bit crazy right now, but they will end up settling down after I comb them out a bit and also conceal around them. So to conceal around them, I'm going to take Jeffree Star's Magic Star Concealer in C7, which is this one, and I'm just going to put some concealer on top and bottom of them. Then I'm going to take a little baby blender and just blend around them. So firstly I'm going to take my P. Louise base and just dab it on my lids. Then I'm just using that baby blender again to blend it all over my lids. Then I'm going to take just a little bit more and put that underneath my eyes using the baby blender. Now my body paint is dry, so because when this sort of body paint dries, it gets a bit tacky if you happen to press against a part of it with another bit of paint on. I hope that makes sense. I'm just going to set it over with some translucent on the white and black shadow on the black areas. So for the black, I'm just going to once again use a Starry Eyed palette. Actually for the white, I'm going to take the Life's a Drag palette, which I haven't used in quite a while, so yeah. And just use the Cake Face shadow, which I actually find to be one of the best whites that I've used. Going to start off with Pageant Queen from Life's a Drag and just buff that all around my lids. And I'm going to take Snatched from the same palette, which is this one here, and buff that into that purple. And then take Pageant Queen again and go over the top of that. Which, as you can see, makes the purple pop out a lot more. Now I'm going to take the same two colours and bring them down underneath my eye. Now with a clean brush, I'm going to buff around all of this purple to make it a bit softer. Now for the lids themselves, they're a little bit bare, so I'm going to smoke them out with Sugar Pills Stella Loose Pigment. It's so glittery and so pretty. and also bring that underneath the eye just a little bit. Also, if you have a loose powder, I suggest putting that underneath your eye so you don't have as much fallout to clean up. Once again, taking that brush that I used to blend it all out before and blending it all again. So for contouring I want something dark, so I'm going to take this colour here, which is from the Cheeky Bits Rise and Pop palette. You can get 10% off of any of your orders by using the code tashxglam10. All details will be down below in the description box as per usual. So I'm just going to go in with that, ear down, and then blend it. I'm going to take black eyeliner and I'm just going to fill in my waterline. Also going to take some of this bright green here from the Cheeky Bits Rise and Pop palette and just put that in the inner corner area. I love this green so much, it's so pretty. Also going to take the Evil Eye Look Sharp liquid eyeliner and line my top lashes as well. So this lipstick I've just applied is called Bewitched from Baby Bat Beauty, and if you use the code tashxglam you will get 20% off of all of your orders. All the details are down below. So I really feel like this could use a black beauty spot. So I'm just going to do a little one underneath this eye. So for some finishing touches on this, I'm going to take some green hairspray colour and just put a little bit in the roots. And this is the finished Beetlejuice lady look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And if you did like this video, there's still more to go, so stay tuned to the 31 days of Halloween videos.